Canberra for Cam's Mortgage Minute. Today I thought I'd talk to you about 10-year mortgages. That's right, a lot of you may not be aware, but we can get 10-year mortgages in Canada. Now, I've mentioned before that unlike the United States, we have a different program when it comes to mortgage financing. In Canada, we have what's called amortizations and terms. In the United States, they basically have one and the same. The amortization and the term are basically identical. They can do a 25, a 30-year mortgage. Those sorts of products are available in the United States. However, in Canada, the longest term we can have for a mortgage is 10 years. We effectively use the amortization in a mortgage to keep the payments reasonable. Otherwise, you can imagine what it would be like to pay off a mortgage in 10 years. The payments would be horrendous and nobody would be able to afford them. So at the end of the day, they do offer the 10-year mortgage product. Now, a lot of folks don't know that the 10-year comes with a very unique property. And that basically is this, that after 5 years, by law, Canadian law, the most your mortgage company can charge you to break the 10-year mortgage is 3 months interest. That's correct. You can never be hit with a higher penalty than that. So after the first 5 years is up, you can essentially get out of it at with just 3 months interest. In the first 5 years, of course, will operate very similar to a lot of other mortgages. They'll have either 3 months or IRD, which is called interest rate differential. That will cover another day. But the key point to remember if you are considering a 10-year mortgage product is the fact that after 5 years, you pay it out, 3 months interest is the worst you can get hit with, and you're free to go. But the beauty part of it is the fact that the rate is guaranteed for 10 years. That's a lot of certainty out there. Now, as far as 10-year rates go, they're kind of all over the place. But we do have one lender who has a special. It's just a slightly under 4%. However, it's very strict criteria for qualifying. So if it's something you're interested in, do let me know. We can see if you will meet the guidelines for this lender. But for those of you who are interested, it certainly comes with a lot of certainty. That product may be really good for an investor as well. If you're buying a rental property, it'd be nice to know what your mortgage payments are going to be for the next 10 years. And that way you've got tenants, you know what your cash flow is going to look like and all those things. The other folks that this is really good for is sometimes folks that are planning to retire in the future or pensioners, people who want some surety as to what the mortgage numbers are going to look like and not get inundated or hit with rate increases. And it's really a great way to mitigate against them. So if this product sounds right for you, or you'd like to learn more about it, give us a shout. It's Cam the Mortgage Man. We're with the Auxilium team here. Auxilium, as I've told you before, simply means, translated out of Latin, to aid, assist, care, and support. And essentially, that's what we do here. And we're here to look after your needs and make sure mortgage-wise, we certainly can accommodate everything that you're hoping to get out of your mortgage and make sure it's the most efficient one and one that you can pay promptly, quickly, and save the most interest on. Enjoy your day, and I look forward to seeing you again.